Okay, today we're going to change the windscreen washer on the Pajero Sports. They should be pretty much the same for all models so far. Okay, what we can do, to get one of these out, you can actually just get yourself a very small screwdriver and just get this under there. You even use a very fine nail and all that just to get you a little bit of space under there. It does have, we've got one over here somewhere. Oh, hang on, I've put it on the end of the hose already. Okay, we've got one here already, and as you can see, if we can get that in focus there, it's got a couple of little clips at the front and the back of it. So yeah, just put a small screwdriver in there and you should be able to lift it off. Okay, then once you've got it popped off, you'll see the hose poking up through the hole here. It's all well and good. Get hold of that hose with a set of pliers or something, because if you drop it, you're going to have all sorts of dramas, because good old Mitsubishi gives you no spare hose to play with whatsoever, as I've just found out. So what I've had to do is go through and undo all of these, undo all of these plugs along here so I can lift this back up again, and then you can actually access the hose from there. And I'll take that back off there. Okay, let's see if I can sit that back there. No, gotta find somewhere where the camera will sit. It's not gonna sit anywhere for me. There we go. So what we can do is I'll just take that off there, thumbnail and whatnot. Okay, and then to get this hose back up here, okay, the hose is nowhere near long enough to be any bloody use whatsoever to get that up there. So I'm just going to do a little experiment here. Let's see if I can turn that on. Just do a little bit of an experiment to see if I can get an Allen key. Get one that the plug will actually plug onto. Okay, so that'll work. So hopefully I can put an Allen key down through here. You know it's going to be a fucking problem, don't you? Okay, get the Allen key down through here, and hopefully I can see it. Plug the cable onto the Allen key and pull it up. Ah, there we go. That seems to work okay. And then what we can do is we can just simply plug that back onto there, and that'll plug back in. Okay, the whole idea of this is because my jet was dirty, so I didn't quite clean it good enough, so I gave it just a bit of a test. So what I'll do is I'll pull that plug out now again. I'm going to put the Allen key in the hole there and just put it to the side. That's a, what size Allen key is it? 6mm Allen key, so if that makes it any easier for you. Alright, so I'll just leave that there for now, and I'll just go clean the jet a bit more. I'm just using just like a brake cleaner or a carby cleaner, and just to squirt the jets out. Just going to do that. Okay, I just gave the jets a bit more of a clean. Let's just give them another try. So take the Allen key out, put the jet back in. Oh shit! Put the jet back in there, and we'll give that another try. Okay, I'm pretty happy with about the way how clean the jets are now. So what I'll do is I'll just simply pop that back in. Away you go. One more check I've got to do now that it's in position. Start the car up, and we'll test where it comes to on the window. Okay, it's going a little bit low, so what I'll do is I'll have my U-Butte pin Yes, I'll stick the pin in the nozzles there, and you can actually redirect them. Just change their angle or whatever, just to shoot a little bit higher. Okay, give another go. Just gives that a bit of a test. Okay, well that's certainly better than what it was. Previously it wasn't going up, but what I might do is I'll just angle that up a little bit more. Get my pin. Angle that up. Angle that one up as well. That up removed. Oh.